That's it.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
How's everybody doing today?
Very well.
For those of you that don't know me, my name is Anthony Edwards, and I stand before you 70 pounds smaller.
Wow.
I've been on this journey now for the past year and a half, and I thank God that I've been faithful and dedicated to it, and because of it, I'm 70 pounds lighter, and I feel great.
Great.
But right now, I'm going to go into my presentation to give you guys some information you may know and you may not know, okay?
Okay. All right.
Tonight, I'm going to be talking to you about the effects that obesity is causing in the state of Mississippi. Mississippi citizens, we all need to come together and work as a team to move Mississippi from fat to fit. According to Dr. Rick DeShazo from Mississippi Public Broadcasting Station, by the year 2012, $2,000 a year per person will be going back into Medicaid budget to pay for the offset of obesity-related illnesses. That's amazing. Now, according to the Center for Disease Control, the state of Mississippi has been the fattest state for the past 6 years. And I just want to ask you people, what type of inheritance are we leaving our children other than financial? Today I want to share some information with you that may be startling but true about the high cost of obesity in the state of Mississippi, and hopefully persuade you to join Fed Community Service Organization to move Mississippi from fat to fit.
All right.
Now, how much does obesity cost the state? Listen. On average, for every dollar that's allocated to Medicaid to pay for the obesity-related issues, the federal government matches it with an additional $3. Right now, Mississippi has the highest Medicaid match in the country. That's millions and millions of dollars going toward obesity-related issues. And where that money going? To your doctors, to your nurses, to your pharmacists, to your physician assistants, and home health agencies, and so on. Now, what can we do to offset the high cost of obesity and the effect on your pocket and my pocket and the state budget? It's simple. Eat healthy, exercise more, and plan a nutritional diet are just a few things we can do. Proverbs 22 tells us that if you train up a child, what did I say?
If you train up a child.
If you train up a child in the way he should go, when he's older, he will not depart from the training that you've instilled in him. Our goal is to get our adults to move more so we can become blueprint for our generation behind us. If we just exercise, our children will exercise. If they see us not exercising, they're not going to exercise. If they see us not eating right, guess what? They're not going to eat right. Now, how do we go from fat to fit? Number one, you can become part of our movement. And the movement is, let's move Mississippi from fat to fit. And this is an initiative that my wife and I started. We're a Fair Community Service Organization. Now, to become part of our movement is simple. You can join one of our walk clubs, or you become part of one of our support groups in our surrounding county. And we're focusing on our county, and the reason why we're focusing on our county is because Jefferson County has been labeled the most obese county in the United States of America.
Wow.
You can also get involved with your church. Get with your pastor and let them know you want to start some kind of weight management program. And I'm pretty sure he'll be excited about that. You can also get involved with your neighborhood and start what you call small community garden. That way you have access to fresh fruits and vegetables.
That's right.
Is that awesome or what?
Yes.
Now who like that?
I
do like that.
Now in conclusion, Proverbs 13 and 22 says, and I love the beginning of this. It says this: A good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. An inheritance of what? We know the Bible talks about wealth, but we're talking about an inheritance of good health.
Mm-hmm.
What are you leaving your children's children? A blessing or a curse? Now, what we have to do is get this obesity thing under order. And the reason why we need to is because if we don't, our children is going to suffer.
That's right.
They're going to suffer. Now, we're living in an age where we as parents, we're going to outlive our children. Why? Because research shows that obesity is affecting them at a younger age, and they're dying younger. So it's our job. Whose job is it?
Our job.
It's our job to move ourselves from fat to fit. I thank you for your time, and be blessed to bless others.
Thank you.
You didn't put the record.